Hello, and welcome to another Telekinesis video. Today, we're talking about Aerokinesis, and especially the biggest Aerokinesis mistakes you can make. You always ask me if you should do Aerokinesis inside or outside, and I always say, I would try it inside. Because when you do it outside, like here, especially on a windy day like today, you don't really know. You can't really track your progress because you don't know if you've done Aerokinesis or if it's just the wind. That's why I always say do Aerokinesis inside, close the windows, close the doors, okay? But today we're gonna do Aerokinesis outside just to show you the difference between the wind and Aerokinesis. So I prepared some plastic bags in the background, and I'm gonna blow them away with some Aerokinesis. I've been outside for quite some time today to build this connection to the air. You see, it's a little cool today, but I just take this cold to build the connection to the cold, to the weather, to my surroundings, to my environment. So with telekinesis and aerokinesis, it's very similar. You need to build the connection to the air you're breathing and the air which is around you. And to do aerokinesis, you have to bring the air on one side and then push it the other direction. It doesn't matter where, but I feel like it's easier if you bring the air closer to you and then blow it away. I feel like that's easier, but you might feel different, so make your own experiences, okay? So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna step over there. I'm gonna do my breathing, 100% in, 50% out, 100% in, 50% out. So I'm gonna do that. Focus on the connection to the air around me. Then I'm gonna bring the air slowly towards me. That's gonna create a little vacuum on the other side. And then I'm gonna blow it all away. Okay? Let's try this. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.